Greetings and welcome to the Introduction to Astronomy. One of the things that I like to do in each of my introductory astronomy classes is to begin the class with the astronomy picture of the day from the NASA website that is apod.nasa.gov/apod. And today's picture for February the 14th of 2020, well, it is titled The Pale Blue Dot. So what do we see here? Well, 30 years ago, the Voyager spacecraft looked back towards the Earth, and this was Voyager 1, which headed out and observed Jupiter and Saturn. But by 1990, it had been long past those and was out towards the edge of the solar system, about 4 billion miles away from the sun. And it was programmed to look backwards for one time to actually observe the solar system. And it took an image, or a set of images, now known as the family portrait, which shows 6 of the 8 planets in the solar system, including our own Earth from a distance of billions of miles. And the image here is a recently released by NASA image of just the Earth as looked at from that far away. And you can see the Earth located there in the beam of sunlight off a little bit to the right of center of the image. And that is our planet and what it would look like at that immense distance. And again, that is 4 billion miles away, so out towards the edge of our solar system, which is well out beyond Neptune, which would be around 3 billion miles away from the Earth. So here we're looking at an even greater distance out towards the edge of our solar system. And you can kind of see how small it makes our whole planet look, which is, of course, where we and everything that we know of has been for all of history. In fact, if humans traveling, you wouldn't even be able to distinguish the moon here to the side. So every place that humans have traveled is visible on that one tiny dot on this frame as the Voyager 1 spacecraft looked back from its distance as it traveled out, looking back towards the Earth and being able to see that. Now, the other image, if you look at the family system, the solar system family portrait, you can actually see all of the images, and there are 6 of the planets visible there, Mercury being too close to the sun, and Mars having not been in a good enough position relative to the sun as well to be able to be taken. But Venus, Earth, and Jupiter are visible, as well as Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So Voyager was able to get that entire image looking at our, what is called sometimes the solar system family portrait from its distance and its perspective at the edge of the solar system. So that was our picture of the day for February the 14th of 2020. It was titled The Pale Blue Dot. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.